Meaning of digest.
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 Digest. Digest can refer to the process of breaking down food in the body or to a summary or condensed version of information, such as a written report. A digest usually includes the main points or highlights of a longer piece of content, and may be used to provide a quick overview or to help readers decide if they want to read the full version. Digests can be found in various forms, such as newsletters, news articles, legal cases, and books. In general, a digest aims to provide a shorter and more manageable version of something.